So we rented another car today. It's a beautiful white Fiat, the dream car. And we're going to hike Mount Zeus, which is a mountain in Naxos. And it is, I think, like 1.5 miles up. But it takes 2 to 4 hours and it is strenuous. So we will keep you guys posted on how it goes. Also, there's no aux cord in the car, which you realize is a game changer, but it's tough to find some good stuff. We've been hiking for 30 seconds and we already see a beautiful pond with a bunch of little koi fish.
He's lying, it's not koi.
So we're the only ones hiking today. There's one other car in the parking lot, so maybe like one other person. And there are a bunch of goats. Oh, look, there's one. So apparently Wooby was actually the goat I was looking for, but I couldn't find him because I just don't agree. Follow the goat to the cave. We've reached a cave. It's very creepy. So we're hiking, we're the only ones up here, and we see an ad for a restaurant, which is ridiculous, but we think it might be for down at the bottom of the hill, but
who knows? I'm not going to it because that's just hazardous. That's just environmental waste. That is like, what's it called? Like when it's like sign wastage, like environmental sign waste.
We've reached the top. Visibility is insane.
It's such a good view.
Oh yeah.
It is incredible, guys.
So white. It's 11:15. It's a beautiful length hike. We've been hiking for like an hour and 15 minutes, and it's like super hard and interesting. And then you get to the top, nice and quick. Perfect. We get down in time for like a little lunch. Like, great. So it's very clear now, and we went to the actual summit. This is a fake summit, we learned, so we went all the way up there.
The summit due to the cloud cover, so we just thought this was the summit.
There are a lot of goats at the top, which was just my dream. So.
How many can you see? In your film right now.
One. Yeah, just one.
I need to put space right here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
We're going for a traditional Greek lunch.
Greek pizza. Very
Greek
good.
pizza, Greek salad, pita. What is that called again? Saganaki something? Tomates. Some nice beach yoga.
I'm like, definitely yes.
Can we see a smolder? Smolder? Breathe in. Breathe out.
Hi vlog. This is our last day in Naxos, and we just did a little shopping, which is very nice because I found some beautiful things. And then now we're on our way to the beach, and I'm going to get a smoothie. And so she just got her smoothie bowl, and I can tell you she's not excited about it. And I will show you the smoothie bowl now. And it took forever to make that bowl, and it's has not a positive outcome. It's right here, and is there yogurt in it? Does it taste good at least?
This is like $7.50 American dollars, just to let everyone know. This couple right here is literally stalking us, or we're stalking them, but something's not right. So we saw them like over a week ago.
We saw them on the
ferry from Athens to Santorini.
Yeah, because I made Wooby guess if they're French or not, because I thought they were definitely French, but didn't hear them talking, whatever. Mm-hmm. And then they talked French, and then that's how I remember them so clearly.
And then now we're on a totally different island over a week later, random island, whatever. And we're on a mountain in the center of the island, which is like 40 minutes away, on a mountain. And then we see them on the mountain, and we're like, oh my god, hey, We didn't say hi because they don't know we know them. But
No.
we saw them. Then we go down the mountain. We're in a city that's like nearby, eating lunch, and we look over, and there they are.
At the same cafe.
And then today we're back where we're staying, 40 minutes away on the beach. Totally different part of the island.
Totally different beach than
Different
yesterday.
way different, yeah. And we look over, and Luce goes, huh? There they are. It's them. Daily snack, frozen grapes. Oh.
Plot twist.
Frozen grapes, best thing ever. We always buy peanut butter wherever we go to experiment with it. Tell us about it.
So it's not as bad as the one in South America. We just discussed that one. Still had to vomit a little bit.
It was white.
It was
Color of this, we also established.
That one is okay. It's sweeter than the other ones that we had, but then the other options will be way more expensive. And then we're also wondering, why does it say 100? Not on that one, but like on the other ones, 100% peanuts, and then there's still so much sugar in it. It doesn't make sense. Please, in the questions, response, whatever. Comments below. Exactly. Please some responses to my question, please. Thanks.
And we have noticed that the more you pay, it's better, but the 360 was just too good to be. We couldn't pay 10 euros. That is like $12 in my country, in my motherland. Like 25 in his motherland. Dinner tour, we have some mushrooms and onions with some garlic. This bread that is so beautiful. We just toasted it. Some dried chickpeas for a topping. This nice dressing. Where did it go that I made? With just a ton of stuff. So good. And then a beautiful salad with some stuff in it.